Okay guys, in this problem we're asked to find the perimeter of the polygon. So let's highlight that information. And we know that perimeter, well, it's taking the sum of all of the side lengths and adding them up. And that will give you the perimeter. But there's a problem here. We don't know the measure of side B. So let's find out how we could figure out what this side length is. Well, earlier we found out if we add up all of the sides of the values that we do know and subtract them from the perimeter, we could find out the length of an unknown side, or an unknown value, or an unknown length for a side. But in this problem we haven't been given the perimeter's value. And we want to find what the perimeter is. So how can we find out the side length for side B? Well, if we look to the opposite side, it might give us some help. I see that there are right angles in all of our corners. So what I want to do is just look at this side, and I'm going to highlight this side. It's 50 centimeters in length. And if I were to move forward and just pretend that this side length here is connected to the side length that's 50 centimeters, well, if I were to add or attach 22 centimeters to it, it should give me the same length of side B. They look to be the same length. So what I'm going to do here is add 50 plus 22, and these combined will give me a value that's equivalent to side B. So 50 plus 22 gives us a value of 72 centimeters. Okay, from here it's just a matter of taking the sum of all of the side lengths. But if you look at this problem just a little bit closer, you can treat it, or the shape, as a rectangle, and we could use that formula. The perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. Well, how can we do that in this case? Well, if side length B is 72 centimeters, and it's a combination of its opposite side, which is 50 and 22 centimeters, 50 and 22 centimeters, then this opposite side has to have a length of 72 as its sum. So basically, all I have to do is double 72. Let's write that in real quick. So we have 2 times 72. So now I have two side lengths that have been taken care of. But what about the opposite side length, the width? I see one that's 55 centimeters in length and another that's 33 plus 22 centimeters in length. Well, if we add 33 and 22 together, let's go ahead and just do that right up top here. I'm going to choose a new pen color. So 33 plus 22. In fact, let me highlight the sides that I'm adding up together right now. So if we were to highlight this side length here and this side length here, 33 and 22, we get a value of 55 centimeters. So 55 centimeters, that length is, I'm just highlighting the side that we're finding out the sum of it is 55 centimeters. Well, 55 centimeters is equivalent to its opposite side, which happens to be 55 centimeters here. So basically, I'm just going to double 55 again. Let's grab our pen, and actually I want to choose that other color. We're going to double the width, which is 55. Okay, so what we've essentially done is doubled the side lengths on each side in this formula. So let's go ahead and simplify this problem. So 2 times 72 gives us a value of 144. We're going to add that to 2 times 55, which gives us a value of, we get 110 in this case. When you add both values together, you should get a value of 254, don't forget your units, centimeters. So the perimeter in this case is equal to 254 centimeters. Cool stuff.